guys, welcome back to our channel. The master bedroom is here, so
Just cut it in half.
but we're having a hard time how to get the stairs. This is a 72 by 78. There's a headboard on this one. I'm gonna show you later. So, huh? So they're thinking of. I don't think so. I'm thinking of. Madaka na. Boom! Mike! They're thinking of the bed. They have to, because it won't fit on the stairs. Mike! Boom! Pag-sure mo diha ay! Oh, look. Paghinay mo ha. Paghinay mo. Di ka na kuan ang tabang isa pa nga tabang isa. Kisa pa man.
Leave it to a Filipino.
Oy, hinain taw na ng kuan ha, kanang na sliding door. Ablihig sliding door do. Piguruan ang sa amin ninyo, tingalig man ni makalimtan. Na.
They're crazy.
Sa amin ha. Itakilid oy.
Sa amin. Rando tong sad. Kaya tama yan sa amin, nga magbuwag ito.
Filipinos always find a way. Gara-gara. Ay, sorry. Ay, santos. Dapat yun ay ko andare. Andara. Asod na siya. Ato na dito iko ando. Dito isampak dito. Oh, ato dito ikuan. Isibog sa nang imong sound system dari pikas dong. Ana.
Kamera na to nito.
Ha?
Bohol. Sa balik ko.
May gani ka diha. Awan na ana sa lang nang ibutang dito nga usa ni man. Para mag headboard. I'm gonna show you guys the headboard. So this is the headboard here. This is mahogany wood. We didn't use the tugas because it's gonna be so heavy. But this is nice here. It will blend here. It will blend the design of everything. So good. We have the bed here finally. There. Na wa mabuak og usa. Wa mabuak? Somebody accidentally crack that whenever they did some work here. So that's why we're gonna replace that part. So that's what we're doing. But everything is ready. This is the floor for the master bathroom is ready. Just put the toilet, toilet bowl, shower here. Oh, gitang day tanan di ay. Mga ito nga. Mo lagi din na. Gusto ko sikod na lang. And they're installing tiles over at the porch. Not porch, at the lanai. Ha? Si mama ko na ito Kagitaod na rabaag. Imuhang door dito. Oh, you can see the view here. Dandaran. Hi, shout out to Darrell. This is supposed to be your property here. And those are the fence. You see the fence line there? Those are the from the other owner. So this property here is for sale, guys. For sale right now. It's 1,100 square meter, and it's I believe it's oh, how much? It's the price is I think 4.3 million. But this will be your view, and we'll just, and this is our support here, and it's from here up to, you're gonna have a communal driveway up to there. So this property is still available if you guys want to, want to buy. Here's cocoa. Oh, very good. Tanawa raw, wa pa magkapit bisig, di masaka. Ay, di na ko kalimtan og measure ag didto. Ag sakang mamang bathroom, ag vanity. Kanana ang kamera mo kanana, ibutang na. Ah, okay. Nakalimtan. Sige. Ikuan na ba tapos Michael, sok na sa lang hinuon to habang nagtighuwat mo. Para butos Michael sa kuan. They also Hara ba to Michael? Magkuan sila sa vanity. Mike! Ubos? Oh, I can show you guys our stairs. It's already been we've been stuccoing this for I guess for 2 weeks now, and it's almost finished. Little by little. See, the paint is ready here, my primer paint, and I'm thinking of painting a blue color here so that whenever you go down, you're like you're going in the water. That's what I'm thinking. How much, Michael? What done eh? Yeah. Boom! Oh, now Dominica, you have to measure the vanity for Mama's bathroom.
I know.
Okay.
I was actually looking for you.
Ayaw na lang kuan. Pawikan.
Pawikan na po ng gawas.
Mao ba?
Luwa na po rin.
Uy! He said the turtle was here yesterday. They was playing around. We weren't here yet. Yeah, that's what Ronnie said. Big turtles. Oh, I'm gonna. I know. I don't know about Ronnie. But hey, let's go. You measure the while they're here before we forget.
The door too.
What door?
The barn door.
Oh no, they will not. They're not going to make the. The barn door here. Okay. I told that to the people that. So just we have to divide the. I have my parents here. Okay. Oi! Please. So where are they? Call them then. Huh?
They went to get the headboard.
No, the headboard is there. They want to get a, yeah, they get something. So call them and you guys have to measure this. They're up there. They're waiting for you. I just have this. I know. Oh, to show you guys. We're installing Mama's gisarad naman na ninyo kay awgi ko ano nagkuanti. Okay. Installing Mama's door. So they clean this up so this is how it looks like. So that's here. Color comes out. Ya, ako man lagi dari gawa ni mo magkit eh. Wow. Dapat buho lang yan niya. Okay ra ka rin? Hindi man siguro na makut-kut ni gana.
Ay,
Kana.
magtabong na naman sa kuan. Aw, wa na nako ah. Dili kami nari. Dili kami ulit na kay okay. Yan lang pahilasan.
Di naman siguro magkit-kit pagkuhan.
Di kita na may sira di we.
Okay. Yara ag pag-iya sa What? They're what?
The floor in the bathroom up there slopes a little bit. So tell them not to cut the ledge in the van loop for those.
Yeah, no, they never. Yeah.
And this one too.
Well, you have to get the right height in this one. Tay, list na kay kuan, ballpen? Ana
Okay. So, from here to here is 16 inches.
They're finalizing the vanity's measurement. And a lot of things going on here. We're like, and Jan is also finalizing the outside paint. So that's good. Batitang, batisang. That's good. So that's all, guys. And from Monday to Thursday, we were so busy. Tuesday went to Tagbilaran. Wednesday we went somewhere, and then Thursday we're back to Tagbilaran, and today was kind of like a, banking day for me. A lot of things going on, and but we are moving along. We're thinking we might can move up here in 2 weeks. So we're very, very, very excited. So thank you for watching and have a good day. God bless. Be safe.